Hello, New York. I actually don't live in New York anymore. I live in Florida now. So, yeah. Welcome to 2026. I hope everyone had a wonderful New Year. And we're going to get started with the first haul of 2026. Yup. What I got. I went to Ulta Beauty. So I done spent so much. I spent so much. Yep. And I'm gonna show you what I spent. We're not gonna talk about prices.
Yeah, right.
But I'm gonna show you what I spent. Okay. Starting off strong. Ordinary toner. As you can see, my face is very dry. I just woke up. I didn't even wash my face. No, don't judge me, okay? But my face, it's not as, it's, you know what I'm saying. The last bottle basically lasted me like a good 8 months. I probably won't have to buy it again for like September or something, so I think that's pretty good. Second, drum roll. Manicure. Janessa, my bestie, was like, you should get these. She had got them and she paid too much for them when she got them like overseas. And she realized, oh, it's much less here in the States. So she told me I should get them because it would really help with skin. I don't necessarily have like bad skin because I don't think there's bad skin, right? Everyone's skin is different and it just goes through things. I don't really have any like major issues. Like I get pimples, like I get a pimple, I had a pimple right here was recovered. I had like some pimples, stuff like that, but for the most part, like I don't have any like major skin problems. But that doesn't mean I can't make sure my skin is good. Like that's stupid. On the skincare because I'm really trying to up my skincare for 2026. Some good molecules, eye patches. First, I told you, I was like, oh, I want some eye patches because, like sometimes, like my eyes don't be dark. I just gotta, you gotta keep it with your beauty, basically. Pretty hurts. It has 30 pairs, because you have 2 eyes. 30 pairs. I'm gonna try it like once a week. I don't really need it like every day. That would take me at least 30 weeks. That's really good to me. I also got a serum, also from Good Molecule, because apparently that's next on the skincare list. Serums. And I also got, where we want to put that? We want to put that. Beyonce. Why does this have to be so much? These takes hours.
I said, damn, bitch.
But it's okay. It's okay. Because, if you want good quality and you want to support Beyonce, you're going to buy it. And I wanted to do both. Hair and edges oil for restoring your edges. I am wearing a closure. None of my hair is out. But it doesn't mean I can't put it on my edges. So that by the time I take it out, boom, my edges going to be so long. I'm going to be like, it'll be all on my face. The last thing I got, lip gloss, because as a former lip gloss business owner, I will always have lip gloss on me. Actually, I will always have at least 4 lip glosses on me, okay? And if I don't, then it was a rough day, apparently. So let me put some lip gloss on now. Clear lip gloss is always going to be OG. If you're looking for like a new one, or if you've been looking at this and you're like, should I try it? Try it, get it. After a while, the print, like, it will come off, but you still know it's your lip gloss. Like, who cares? That is my haul. We did it, y'all. So tune in for the next haul. I will check y'all out then. Bye.